In this video, I will be reviewing these Haylou GT5 earbuds. I'm gonna first do the unboxing, and I'm gonna also cover the pairing, how to pair them to your phone, and I'm gonna be doing also a microphone test. And this is very important to do a microphone test for the earbuds. And of course, at the end, I'm gonna give you a summary of my opinion on these earbuds. So let's first unbox them. I'm gonna zoom in the camera so that you can see the unboxing better. So here I'm removing the plastic covering of the box. And this is the earbuds. How do you open it? It's like this. So what's in the box? These are the earbuds. And what we have also in the box, this is like kind of foam. And on the bottom, we have additional ear tips, like small and large. And we have the USB-C charging cable. Let me open it. So this is USB-C charging cable. It's really very short. And we have also in the box a user manual that is in Chinese and hopefully in English also. Let me see. Yes, it is also in English. So let me put this aside and show you the earbuds. So this is the plastic covering. This is USB-C port here to charge them. And this is the opening. It has a nice logo here. I hope you can see it. Let me open them. When you open them, here you have the charging indicator. So 3 dots, it means that they are charged 80% or more. And I think the earbuds now, yes, they have. So here there is a plastic covering, so they are not charged now. I'm gonna need to remove this plastic covering so that I can charge them. So here it is. Now let's put them in. I think this goes here, yes, and this goes here. So now they are charging. I'm gonna give them a little bit of time to charge. Okay, so as you saw the cover, as soon as you put it like this, it closes. It doesn't have something to hold it. It's not a big deal. So now I'm gonna keep the box closed so that the earbuds charge, and then I'm gonna show you how to pair them and also do the microphone test and continue the video. So now that the earbuds are fully charged, let me show you how to pair them. First, you need to open the box. And you see they have both a red light here. And then remove one and then the other. And they should be in pairing mode. Notice how the white light is blinking. So now, simply go to your phone here. And you see here we have Haylou GT5. Simply tap on it and they should connect. And they are connected as you see. So let me show you a little bit these earbuds. So as you notice here, you have like a touch sensitive area. And this area, either on the left or on the right earbud, you can like tap it or double tap it to control your phone and your music. So to answer the calls or also to fast forward or to go to the next track or to the previous track. So all this is noted in the user manual. And also here inside, if you see it here, like there's a small sensor. So the earbuds detect when they are on your ear and they turn on. And when you remove them from your ear, they turn off automatically. So now let me put them in my ears so that you can see how they fit in the ear. So I'm gonna keep the medium tips. Of course, depending on your ear, you can put either the smaller tips or the larger ones. So let me put them now and show you how they fit in the ear. So to put them in your ears, simply put them like this. So this is the right one, and this is the left one. So they fit comfortably in the ear. And to talk a little bit about the sound quality of these earbuds, I tested them before with some music, and I found out that the bass is good and the treble is good. The mid is a little bit hollow, but it's not a big deal. I mean, it's good for music overall. So now I'm gonna do a microphone test. And to be able to do the microphone test, I'm gonna connect them to my Windows 10 PC and record using OBS and my webcam and the microphone from these earbuds, and you can hear for yourself how the microphone sounds for the earbuds. So now the earbuds are in pairing mode. Let me connect them to my Windows 10 PC. So add a Bluetooth device, Bluetooth, and I should see them here. So here they are, Haylou GT5. Just click on it and it should connect, and now it is connected. So let me click on done, and let me here go to system and choose sound. So now I'm gonna choose here the microphone of the Haylou. So here it is, headset Haylou. So as you saw, I just connected these earbuds to my Windows 10 desktop. And now I also configured OBS to take the sound from the microphone of these earbuds. And this is what you're hearing now. And of course, it's taking the video from my Gazoo webcam. If you want to check out the link to the review of the Gazoo webcam, you can see it in the description. It's really a good webcam. So coming back to these earbuds, I'm gonna listen to the microphone output in a bit, and then I'm gonna give you my opinion on how the microphone sounds. As a summary, I'm gonna say that these earbuds are really good. They are especially good for their price range, and they sound good. As I said before, the mid is a little bit hollow, and the microphone, it can be better, but if you are in a quiet place, they sound good. Otherwise, if you're like in a noisy place, you should really raise your voice so that you can overcome the background noise and for the other party to hear you. I hope that you like this video and it will help you in your purchase decision for these earbuds or for other types of earbuds. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up.